Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another git command, that is git branch. So today I'm going to show you how you can use git branch and what is the purpose of git branch command. So let's get started. So using git branch command, you can list, you can create, or you can delete any branch. So that's the documentation of git branch. You can go through it. So that's my repo. You can see that I'm only having one branch, that is master. So now let me show you in code how you can create new branch, how you can list your branches, and also how you can see your remote branches. So let's get started. Let me show you how to create a new branch. So write git branch and write new branch. After that, new branch is my branch name. So git branch and branch name. So for listing branches, write git branch, and in that you will get all your local branches. So here master and new branch just I have created. So two branch I'm having. You can also get a list of branches using git branch hyphen hyphen list. So this will also give you local branches. Let me just rename a branch. So for that you can use hyphen m. So this one is move as well as rename, both you can do with hyphen m. So write git branch. Let me write let's say new branch to task. So old branch name first and then new branch name. So write git branch and old branch name, that is new branch, and I'm going to rename it to, let's say, task. Okay, it's giving error, so let me check in documentation once. So here it says new branch. Let me see in git branch. Okay, I forgot hyphen m only. Write git branch hyphen m old branch then new branch. So name of new branch will be changed to task. So let me run command of list again, git branch hyphen list. So now you can see I'm having master and task. You can also copy a branch. So for that, write command git branch hyphen c your branch name, and in which your basically new branch name in which you want to copy. Now let's check branch list. Now you can see I'm having task and a new copy of same task, that is task 2. Now if you want to check your remote branches, so for that you can write git branch and -r. So now you can see on GitHub I have shown you in the starting of the video that I'm only having one branch, that is master. So you can also delete a branch. So for that you need to write command git branch hyphen d and branch name. So I'm deleting my task 2 branch. So check branch list. You can see I'm having 2 branch only now. So I have shown you how to create a branch list and delete a branch, but I have not shown you how to switch to that particular branch and start working on your work. So for that you need another command, that is git checkout. So write git checkout task. So now write git branch list. So now you can see task is in green. So basically right now we are active on task. If you will make any changes in any of the file, then it will be done in task branch, not in master branch, because as right now you are switched to task branch. You can also create a branch using git checkout command. So write git checkout hyphen b and branch name. This command will do two things, that it will create a new branch with your branch name and it will switch to that branch. So I have created one tutorial branch and switched to it. So let me check out branch list. So here you can see now I'm on tutorial branch and this is now new branch. So let's just quickly summarize what I have shown you in this video. So git branch name will create a new branch, git branch, and with option hyphen list you can also get branch list. Then branch copy you can use hyphen c, old branch name and new branch name. For moving or renaming you can write git branch hyphen m, old branch name, new branch name. For deleting a branch name, write git branch hyphen d branch name. And for remote branches, write git branch hyphen r. And for switching to a particular branch, you use git checkout command. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any doubt, then you can comment down below in the comment section.